Hello guys, today in this video I will show you how to translate your string file into your local language. By default, when you purchase your script from Code Canyon, it comes with just a single language, that is English language. So you need to translate it with your local language, and then we will replace a local language file here, and it will show your local language. For now, the current language is English language. So how you will translate it into your local language? I will send you a string file. I will send you this string file. You will simply open this and translate. uh, Take care for some things. Let me explain you. First of all, this is a label, so you don't need to translate it. You just translate this text. Right side, you need to translate only right side text, and take care left side text, because this is label. We don't need to translate label. If we will change it, our app will show errors because app will not get proper labels. Like this is a label text username, and here is your username. You just translate username into your local language, like email, password, login, register. Also take care to other things. For example, if your text contain apostrophe symbol, you just simply you just replace with this symbol, and put start and at the end of the sentence these double comma. For example, let get started. This is a simple sentence in our normal language, but when you use in a programming language XML file, you should translate this apos symbol into this symbol. Let's this replace with a pass symbol, and you should also put double commas at the start and at the end of the sentence. And same, where you need to put and, you just simply replace with amp. For example, movies and animation. But in a string file, you should use this symbol, where you need to use and symbol. Let me show you some other examples. Here is normal text. Simply you translate this right side text, not left side, because this is a label text, so it will be same. You just translate this text into your local language. Yes, here they use a let's get started. Here use this symbol other than a pause. So also use double comma at the start and at the end. The double comma only use where you should add this symbol. For other simple text, you no need to add double commas at the start, at the end. Where you need to use and, you just simply replace with amp. Here a pass. Actually I can't able to find and symbol, but I hope you can understand how to translate. So please take care this note and then continue your translation to avoid misunderstanding. But please take care, don't need to translate your labels, just translate this text in your local language. Thank you.